Every week, we scour the internet to find the most amazing, creative, and jaw-dropping content developed in Unity. This is Game Dev HQ, and enjoy the best of Made with Unity. Thief lesson number 1. Always have a friend ready to hold the ladder in place, by Oliver. Unity Real-Time Render Test Number 2 by Sakura Rabbit. Testing a new enemy in Knights of Exile by Don Julio Games. Coding the Smart Boy platforming abilities by Tiani Pixel. Flying Around the Scene by Swissbig. Pixel Destruction and Reconstruction by Nico. Creating more water shaders in Unity by Harry. Little Tornado by Bala. Bake the physics for the door explosion to an animation by the official Age of Rust game. Forest Track Prototype by Rickers Games. The windmill got a little upgrade by Surfs. SSTR is part of the Steam Game Festival by Dabster Rent. The demo link is below.
We are 16 days into my mission. The outside temperature remains an eye-boiling negative 270.45 degrees Celsius. Something you'll become better acquainted with after my drones throw your body out of the airlock. You cannot evade me forever, and unlike you, I do not need to rest. Your deaths are necessary for the mission. Found you. Join the New London Colony Program. A brighter future awaits you beyond the horizon.
New trailer for the Kickstarter campaign Geno Kids. The link is below. Just started working on Layer 4 Greed by Ultrakill. Mile High Taxi by Cass. First Time Rigging and Animating by Marianne. Robots Are Great, What Could Possibly Go Wrong by Big Rook Games. Added WTF levels, portals, no gravity, and our most requested feature, Locomotion by Stressed Out. The link is below. Looks like a trap by Blue. Splash by Lewis. Black holes have the power to absorb large objects like shells and blocks, but if you're not careful, they can get you too. Link is below. Dodge the boss's attack and make him stick to the wall by Oru Game Studios. Ground Height Animation by Moen. A small update to the training mode by Cosmic Cat Studios. Inspired by Mulan by Robin. Character by Alex Stroke. Tech Art Challenge by Thomas. Horn Knight. Wishlist now. The demo is available in the link below. Experimenting by Con Radical. Grenadiers vs. Tanks by Weird Penguin Games. He's Alive and He's Mad by Six Thorns. Soaring Through a Comic Book Page by Hyosin. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to be notified about upcoming videos, and use the Twitter hashtag MadeWithUnity to possibly be featured on our upcoming videos. This is GameDevHQ.com, and we're out of here. See you next week.